This is a web shooter that I designed in Fusion 360. It works using a simple spring mechanism. Now, I've been wanting to upgrade this design for a while. I thought about how I could upgrade it and noticed a few empty CO2 cartridges lying around. After taking a look and noticing that the design shape of the mechanism resembles that of a CO2 cartridge, I concluded that I could remake the mechanism in a CO2 cartridge. Using a metal saw and file, I hand-cut the container to fit the design. Then I created a holding device for the cartridge in Fusion 360. After printing, I assembled the web shooter and used some Velcro for the strap. This shooter unfortunately needs a ramming rod to load it. I hope to build future generations of the project that will have a reloading mechanism built into it. This design is worn on the wrist, and when the lever is pulled forward, it releases a spring that shoots whatever's inside. From Nerf bullets to darts to webs, anything you can fit inside, it can shoot. I made a couple different web shooters, and all of them are on my channel in different videos, and all the STL files are in the descriptions. If you'd like me to continue making new versions, please comment so below.